Live at the command center, jwsolarusa. Guys, I just want to show you that the battery is already installed. The Chrysler Pacifica, 16S on each module, 3000 watts each at 45 amp hours. So guys, I got them all parallel, or they're all going to a bus bar parallel, and it's 90 amps more to the system and more kilowatts into the system. And what I want to show you guys yesterday, before I transition the batteries, I make sure I use them from the last video you guys saw and make sure everything was working. I tested them individually. I did a load test on it, resistive load test, and including inductive loads. And guys, everything worked perfectly. Do I have to buy these batteries again? Definitely. I would like to give them a shot again. I want to see how they're gonna perform in a big battery bank. That's cool. And the specification with the Chrysler Pacifica and Ford Focus is identical. And all these other batteries, the way I configure them is 16S, is cool. And I just want to give you a roundup on things. It's very, very cloudy today. No sun on this Sunday today. And I decided to come up a little bit. But look what I got. I tried to charge the batteries last night and make sure they're all balanced well before I connect them. And this is what I did. System runs in the morning and whatever, I started making power. And look at that. We've been sitting on floats before I have to go to church, and it's still sitting on float. So what is happening right now? Because the way we always say, or I already said on the system, when the batteries are full, it's not going to be any more solar coming in. So I have the opportunity or the capability of burning the excess power instead of sending them to a resistor, which is happening here. You can see the battery still a charge on the corner is 100%, but it's burning, is pulling about 150 watt. The freezer, the fridge are running. Okay, so if any of them fall back, and the batteries just if now it's borrowing a little bit from the batteries, and it's gonna go back and put back that power, they go back 100%. That has been happening all day today. Like I said, the weather is very cloudy right now, no sun, a lot of clouds. So we just made this kind of power today, and the battery, like I said, the batteries are full. I'd love to see if the system's gonna drag the batteries down tonight and see what it is. But I'm not just gonna try to drain the batteries because I want to drain them, because the thing is that prolong the batteries as well, like cycling. But I would worry about cycling your batteries when it comes to lithiums. So it has a lot of cycling hours. But I just want to make sure the system runs. I'm not just going to burn power like I'm crazy. I still have to use my head that's very conservative with electricity. This is the reason why we've done this, or that's why we did what we're doing right now. So guys, it's really cool what is happening. And the Chrysler Pacifica, they're still going to be on the standby. They're still coming in for me, like I said. And we're going to expand that array, or that string, to be really big, and stay with that. All right. Right now, the Ford Focus has about 8 kilowatts on those. Chrysler Pacifica has 6 kilowatts. If I end up putting another one brick on that one, it gives it a 9 kilowatt and 6. So, and continue with all the other rest of the batteries. This is cool. So I'm gonna be heading to the 50 kilowatts soon, right here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Let me show you the conditions out there and see exactly what I'm dealing with here. But the place is cooler. It's really cool. The temperature I think is approximately around just on 70. The wind is kind of cooler in a very beautiful day today, and windows are wide open. And earlier I was bringing over 100 and some watt, but like I said, the clouds are getting deeper, heavier. But I'll show you outside. So basically, we are trickle charging just right now. We took a charge and look at the heavy clouds, and that's all over. It has been like this all day since this morning, but we managed to bring power. And it's not even managing because it doesn't do anything because of the batteries are kind of full. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Subscribe, share, and like my videos. And stay tuned for more to come live on this channel, where we're going to be talking about lithium, battery storage, and more products coming your way. Stay tuned for that. We have a bunch of stuff coming in, a bunch of upgrades, a lot of projects, and summer is almost gone. It's gone. I can say it's almost gone. It's gone because now the temperature drops approximately 60, 59, 60 at night. So that's just a clear, thin message telling you that the time for play is over. So we're gonna be getting back, dive into the winter, which I already prepared for. Love you guys all. Stay tuned for more to come live here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe.